Happy Wednesday, guys. Today we are going to talk about revising the ending of our story. We're almost there. We're working through it, making all those little refinements to make this just the best story you've ever written, and I know it will be as long as you follow all of these videos and these steps. So here we go. Today we're going to talk about revising the ending, making sure that you leave your reader with something powerful, something that they're going to remember having read your story, okay? So, as you revise your ending, remember that your ending has to reflect on the experience. You have to be looking back at the experience, what happened to you in some way, okay? And then you need to make sure you've shared the lesson that you learned. Those two things have to happen very succinctly in that last paragraph of your story. You're done telling the story, it's over, and now you're reflecting back on it and you're telling us the lesson that you learned. Okay, those two things have to happen in this ending. When you're ending your narrative, remember that you can ask a question to kind of that would maybe linger in the reader's mind. But listen closely. Do not ask them, "Did you like my story?" Or say, "I hoped you liked my story." That's first grade. We're almost fifth graders now, right? So we are not going to say, "Did you like my story? I hope you like my story." Right? Nope, 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 nope. But you can ask them a question that maybe is something to kind of for them to ponder. I wonder, right? You can leave them with a decision for them to make. What would they have done in your shoes? What choice would they make in that situation, right? How might they encounter a situation that's similar to yours? Make them think, right? You can wrap up your ideas, or you can make sure that you give them closure so that they knew how everything turned out. Okay. So here's what you're going to do to your story today. Okay. So you're going to go back in your story today. You're going to look at your ending, see how it works, make sure that it has all those necessary pieces. Make sure that it's going to leave your reader where they're going to think about your story, where they're going to remember your story. Okay. And how you're going to let me know that you have done that. You're going to go back and make edits in your story, but some of you have really amazing endings already and don't need to change very much, maybe just one or two words here and there. But your secret for today is you are going to today insert a picture, of a stop sign in your story for today. Oh, perfect. Just right down there. Not in your story, but you can insert it right here on slide 51 if you want. That way it doesn't mess up your spacing too much. Telling me that you watched this video and that you understand that this is when your story comes to a stop. Okay? Boys and girls, you do not need to worry about slide 52. Okay? Slide 52 over here talks about revising your ending, but you're not going to utilize that one. Okay? You're just going to go back up into your story and you're going to revise it there. Make sure you include your stop sign here to let me know that you've watched the video and that you've looked at and reflected in your ending and that you've made any changes you need to make. I'm so proud of you, boys and girls. Tomorrow we're going to talk about our editing checklist and revising it, just making sure that everything's where it needs to be. And then we'll begin to talk about how to make our final drafts this week. Take care, guys. Love you. Bye.